Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having a clean, well-lit workspace will make this quick task even easier. This entire process is quite straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes from start to finish. Now, let's open up the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on one of the sides of the casing. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a careful and steady hand, slowly twist the screwdriver. This action will gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Then, using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated before you close it. Gently but firmly press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.